Family, what is good, man? I'd like to welcome y'all right back to the channel, man. I appreciate y'all for tuning in once again. Before we get into this video, if this is your first time checking out my channel, man, go ahead, go crazy on that like button, man. If you're feeling the video, most importantly, go ahead and subscribe. Today, referring back to my last haul, if you haven't seen that video, go check that out. That video was dope. Macys. Well, let me start here first. The store that I did that haul at was Macys. Now, I've shopped online at Macys before for Ralph Lauren. I've never really went into the store and actually just shopped for Ralph Lauren. Well, during that video there, man, they had so much stuff in this store. I actually slept on Macys. Well, I ain't really sleep on Macys because I've told you guys before to go online and shop for Macys. But like I just said, that's my first time actually going into Macys shopping for Ralph Lauren. So today, man, we are going right back to their store to look around some more, show y'all some more stuff they had. Oh, and actually, I'll be trying to find something to style with these right here too. These Nike Dunk Lows, the Gray Fidel joints. Let me show y'all the actual shoe. These joints right here. Yeah. So we'll definitely be shopping back there today because, like I was saying, they had so much stuff in there that was dope, man. Like I say, that's gonna be my new connect now. And that store is actually North Park Mall, the Macys in North Park Mall out here in Dallas, man. So let's go ahead and get into this video today. Y'all ride along with me. Everything, we may have found some to match up these sneakers, man. Put this together, let y'all check this out. I don't know, I'm gonna still put it on though, because this yellow right here is the same color, but it's the other yellow right here that throws it off. It's definitely something you still can do, but let me try this on real fast, give y'all a better look with the sneakers. So definitely something to go. Like I say, more of this color right here at the top of the shoe, right here, and match up with the shirt, and the blue as well at the top of the shoe. Pretty much the same blue in the shirt. So yeah, that's something I could do. Definitely something I could do.
Riding in the car, you probably can't even pronounce. Shawty got that ass, my tracks will truly make it bounce. Home run, hit her for the hometown. In the long run, killing with my own sound. Niggas vibes are off because I'm on now. Way up and I stay up like a drone now. Can't say sorry if I hit you with the mix. It's probably cause you hit me with the switch. Ayy, came in clubbing every time we hit the Ville. Chop a can of Twister, baby girl just wanna